Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, February 25th, 2009. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 96 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, and it is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Alright, let's get started here. Today we opened up right around 766 and a quarter. We immediately traded up and filled our gap, and that's denoted by this red line, and started trading down. Once we broke down below our moving average here, we had a nice little downside run, and on this pullback we got a signal to take a short, and that signal did reach targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks. A small little starting trade, but effective nonetheless. We continued to trade down, chopped around the pivot in the overnight sessions lows before we got a breakout to the downside. That was a good trade to the downside. We did not get a chance to get on board that, but when we traded back through to our moving average, we did get a signal to take a long right after around 10:20 or so. And that signal did also reach its second target potential for 12 additional ticks. That was a short little run up, traded down, did not get a chance to get in the trade here. We just did not have enough room. But on this extension trade, we did get a chance to go short. Unfortunately, we did not break low enough between our lows and did not hit our second target. We actually only hit our first target, so we actually ended up losing 2 ticks on that trade around the 10:45 confirmation time. We did establish our low at that point and started trading up, at which time we got a little sideways progression here and got a signal to go long. That got us in right around 5 after 11 or so. That trade went to the upside. Unfortunately, because of our pullback, we only got 11 ticks out of that. There was opportunity to trail and get a lot more. Got into our dead zone. Again, got up around our pivot, bounced around that, pulled back during lunch. And actually we got a nice trade coming right out of lunch. We made the transition out of lunch. We had a healthy pullback, and we got a long signal right after the 115 reversal period. We took that signal long for a full profit potential of 24 ticks, and as you can see, we went up and hit that overnight session again through the pivot again, which is now still creating some opportunities for some resistance there. You can see we traded around the pivot once again, up through our opening price, up through our previous day, up through our mid gap point, and actually filled our entire gap of the day. I spoke earlier of this red line. I misspoke. That was not the gap, that was the half gap. But we did fill the full gap later in the day. We traded down through our moving average, got a perfect pullback up towards our half gap again, got a signal to go short, full profit for 18 additional ticks. Traded down through our reversal period, and what a day. Another pullback, another signal at the overnight session lows, again at the pivot, and this is what kicked us off in the afternoon. Skyrocketed from there. We were able to pick up full targets on that, 23 additional ticks, and then basically started to trade down a little bit into the 3 o'clock session, but as you know, junkies, we don't trade after 3 o'clock. So for today, Wednesday, February 25th, we had a total of 7 trades for 97 ES ticks. Thanks for watching, and for more video or more details on this plan, including chart setups, and to join our free daily chat room newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.